Advanced Material Development, a trailblazing UK company, tackles world-scale challenges with innovative nanomaterials solutions, changing industries forever. Since 2018, AMD has partnered with leading universities and researchers to revolutionize the applications of nanomaterials across various sectors. Their primary focus on advanced 2D nanomaterials like graphene sparks revolutionary products including conductive inks and advanced sensors. However, as their operations expanded, challenges in traceability and BOM control emerged, pushing them to seek productivity software solutions. Before 2022, AMD relied heavily on ineffective spreadsheets that couldn't provide the precise control and traceability their mission demanded. James Johnston, AMD's Director of Program Management, faced a daunting task, finding software to streamline their inventory and cost tracking. Neve Cooper, a dedicated physics student, assessed two options, OpenBOM and MRPeasy, ultimately favoring the latter for its comprehensive capabilities. Implementing MRPeasy required dedication, emphasizing the need for thorough onboarding and understanding among all AMD's team members. Confident in their choice now, AMD witnesses immense improvements in logging intellectual property and managing complex product routings effectively. With MRPeasy as their reliable partner, AMD is positioned to commercialize their innovations, marking a bright future for nanomaterial applications.